what is a core? A core is your old unit. So that means if you have purchased an engine from us, your core is your old engine. If you have purchased a transfer case from us, your core is your old transfer case. It's also important to note that we will never ask you to return something that we did not send you. So if you purchased a bare long block from us that did not include oiled hand, timing cover, valve covers, harmonic balancer, we aren't asking you to send those parts back to us. We don't want those parts back. In fact, if you do accidentally send something back to us that you end up needing later on, we cannot get that back to you. So to keep it very simple, when you pop open the crate that day of delivery, the only things we want back with your core return are the things that are inside of that crate.